How have protected classes evolved in discrimination laws? Imagine a world where fairness in the workplace and society is constantly changing. That's because laws protecting certain groups have grown and shifted over time. Originally, discrimination laws mainly focused on race and skin color. This was because racial segregation and unfair treatment were widespread in the early 20th century. Laws in the 1960s, like the Civil Rights Act of 1964, aimed to stop racial discrimination in jobs, schools, and public places. These laws created the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission to enforce rules against unfair treatment based on race, color, religion, national origin, and sex. As society learned more, lawmakers added new protections. For example, in 1978, the Pregnancy Discrimination Act made it illegal to discriminate against women because they were pregnant or had related health issues. This made clear that discrimination based on sex also included pregnancy. Later, the Americans with Disabilities Act of 1990 made it illegal to discriminate against people with disabilities in employment and public services. This law was a big step in recognizing that people with disabilities deserve equal rights and access. Age also became a protected class in 1967 through the Age Discrimination in Employment Act. This law protects workers aged 40 and older from unfair treatment in hiring, firing, or pay. Over time, laws also started addressing other issues like affirmative action, which aimed to fix past discrimination. For example, in 1965, Executive Order 11246 banned discrimination in federal contracting based on race, color, religion, and national origin. But some laws, like California's Proposition 2096, challenged affirmative action by banning preferences based on race or sex in public jobs and schools. For businesses and employers, understanding how these protected classes have expanded is key. They must realize that discrimination laws now cover pregnancy, disabilities, age, and sometimes sexual orientation or gender identity depending on where they are. Laws apply to hiring, firing, promotions, pay, and workplace conditions. Employers should create clear policies, train managers, and have procedures to handle complaints. Staying updated on legal changes helps avoid costly mistakes. In short, protected classes started with race and color but now include sex, pregnancy, disability, age, and more. Laws keep evolving to promote fairness and prevent discrimination. Employers who stay aware of these changes can avoid legal errors and create more inclusive workplaces.